Hello friends. In this short but informative video, I will tell you about 11 important writers from the Puritan Age in English literature. We'll go through each name one by one, along with their most significant works and contributions. Let's get started, and I'll see you at the end of the video. 1. John Milton. At the top of the list is John Milton, a legendary and serious thinker of the Puritan Age. His most famous work is Paradise Lost, an epic poem that explores deep themes like the fall of man, free will, good versus evil, and divine justice. Milton's writing style is known as the grand style, marked by elevated poetic language, complex sentence structures, and classical Latin influences. His works require focused reading but are profoundly impactful. He is regarded as one of the greatest figures in English literature. 2. John Bunyan. Next is John Bunyan, known for writing the famous allegory, The Pilgrim's Progress. It tells the symbolic journey of a man named Christian, who battles temptations and hardships on his spiritual path toward salvation. This work is deeply spiritual and remains popular among religious readers. Bunyan is praised for presenting complex religious ideas through a simple and engaging narrative. 3. Sir Thomas Browne. Sir Thomas Browne was an intellectual writer known for blending philosophy, science, and religion. His major works include Religio Medici and Urn Burial. Browne's style is rich in metaphors and deep reflections, making him a favorite among thoughtful and serious readers. 4. Jeremy Taylor. Jeremy Taylor was both a religious writer and a preacher. His most well-known works are Holy Living and Holy Dying, where he guides readers on how to lead a spiritually meaningful life. Taylor's style is poetic and beautiful, focusing on inner transformation and moral development. 5. Izaak Walton. Izaak Walton wrote The Complete Angler, a unique book about fishing that also reflects on nature, peace, friendship, and life itself. It's a gentle, philosophical work that offers life lessons through the simple joys of countryside living. More than just a fishing guide, it's a reflection on how to live a peaceful and content life. 6. Thomas Fuller. Thomas Fuller was a witty and intelligent writer. His famous books include The Holy State and The Worthies of England. His writing was a mix of humor and wisdom, like a teacher who entertains while educating. Fuller wrote insightfully about English culture and society. 7. Richard Baxter. Richard Baxter was a theologian who authored The Reformed Pastor, which described how a true pastor should live and lead. His writing combined spiritual depth with practical guidance. Like many Puritan writers, his work was deeply rooted in Christian values. 8. Robert Burton. Robert Burton wrote the monumental book, The Anatomy of Melancholy, which deeply explores human emotions, depression, love, religion, and society. This detailed and thoughtful book is still read today for its psychological insights and literary brilliance. Now let's talk about 3 important playwrights from the Puritan Age. 9. Thomas Otway. Thomas Otway was a tragic playwright, best known for his emotional play Venice Preserved, which tackles themes of love, betrayal, and political corruption. Otway's style was intense and emotional. He had a powerful ability to connect with the audience's feelings. 10. Nathaniel Lee. Nathaniel Lee also specialized in tragedy. His plays like The Rival Queens and The Massacre of Paris involve love, madness, and political drama. Lee wrote boldly and poetically, unafraid to challenge the audience and engage them emotionally. 11. William Congreve. Finally, we have William Congreve, a genius of comedy and one of the most famous writers of the Restoration period. His celebrated plays include The Way of the World and The Mourning Bride. Congreve was known for his sharp dialogue, witty situations, and satirical take on society. Even today, his plays are read and performed because his humor is timeless and still relevant. Conclusion. So, these are the 11 key writers of the Puritan Age in English literature. Each of them left a lasting impact through their deep thinking, spiritual insights, emotional depth, or comedic brilliance. I hope this video helped you understand their contributions better. If you've watched till the end, thank you. Now you know the major writers of the Puritan era and their most important works.